Let's try to create a very simple demo that will check a username and a password by using the if statement. So what I'm going to do out here, I'm going to use a scanner class to take an input. Okay, and I will delete or comment the last of the codes. So I will use the scanner class that says scan, and here it's a new scanner, and we know we are going to use system.in, and here I will ask a user for the username. So system.out.println, and let's say I will ask here user name, and here we will say the string is my username, and here it's scan dot a read dot next line, sorry, and here you can see the user will enter the username, and same thing we will do with the password, like a password, and here this is the password. Now we will test the equality of the string. So for this I will use if. I will say the if the username dot equals. So equals will test the equality. It is the method of that you can call for the string. If I say if the username is LAVIT, okay, and here I'm going to use AND because I need both to be returned true, and it is the password here dot equals. Here you can password dot equals, that is say 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, something like this here. Okay, we will say successful login. All right, so here we will test this. So in this way you can use if condition. In the next we will talk about how you can work with the if else. So let me run it, and the username, if I type here LAVIT, and a password if I type here 1 2 3 and 4 5 6, so you can say it's a successful login. And if I try to run it once again by the wrong username and password, let's say the Girish, not here, login, here if I say Girish and the password, whatever password I type here, you can say it has run nothing because we haven't put anything here. So this is about the if.